Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be inserting a text box right here in this Microsoft Word document, and then we're going to remove the outline from that particular text box. So we're going to insert the text box, and then we're going to actually move the outline. Alright, so first we want to go up to the tab. Notice all of these up here tabs. So you have the Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab. So when you click on the tab, what you see is the ribbon. If you notice, the ribbon is right here. Within the ribbon, you have group. Font right here is one group. You notice paragraphs another group, style also another group. So you want to click on the Insert tab. Come all the way right here. You notice this group that's a text. So text box. You can literally click. I get a text box here, but I'm going to click on the little pointer because when I click on the pointer, it gives me option. Notice it gives me various type of option. Show me right here. I can actually draw a text box just to see. Alright, I'm going to click on this one. Alright, if you notice, I'm going to type something inside here. I'm going to type all about computer. Just to see. Alright, pay close attention to this. Very good, all about computer. If I come like this, come back again, I can actually move it, put it anywhere I wanted to put it. I can put it right there, just the same. But each time when I click off, you notice the outline is still around it, but I wanted to remove the outline, so I'm going to click back on it. As soon as I click up on it, you notice immediately up here it's formatting highlight, the formatting tool, drawing tool. If I take it off, you notice you don't see it again. Click back on it again, then you see come up. Now you're going to click on it. Now we're going to focus right inside here. Right, so the first thing we want to do, you notice shape fill. We're going to click on the pointer, and then we're going to come right down here that said no fill. Now we're going to go to shape outline. Click on the pointer, and then we're going to come right here and say no outline. If you notice, you haven't seen nothing around it so far, but if I click right here, I see you can move it up and down, but there's no outline around it. Right, so this is how you insert a text box and also remove the outline from it. But what if I've add shapes to this? Is it still can actually work just the same? Alright, if I go to insert right here, and this is every shape, I click on shape. Alright, I'm going to put a text box. You know what is a plus? Draw a text box like that. Come right here, give it this one. So I'm going to type something inside about into just the same way. All about computer. Alright, just the same. If you notice, if I put the cursor right here, I can actually move it up same way, just like that. You will notice the outline still around it, but can this outline move away from it, since that is actually the shape that you put? Alright, let me click on it. You're going to come right back here, format. Now the same thing that we do previously. Click on shape fill, click on the pointer right there, say no fill. I'll come right here, shape outline. You're going to click, say no outline. I can actually move it here. Notice there's no outline, so I did it with the text box and I also do it to the shape. If I click back again, I can actually take this and put it right side of it like this. And if you notice, they come like I see, like both of them right now, same line. And if I come like this and I take it and I put it just look above it, you notice how it look? So definitely you can actually use text box and actually make the different arrangement so far. Alright, so if you notice come like this, if I come like this and then I come and click on this one also, hold on the shift key and click on that one, I can actually group both words together. Alright, so if I come all the way up here, definitely notice right in this part arrange. If I come and I click right here, notice I group both of them. You notice both of them actually can actually move the same way. I want to ungroup, I come back right here, click ungroup, and there you go. So this is how you actually insert a text box and a shape and actually remove the outline right in your Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.